Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove background from any image using canva.com. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Chrome browser, select your profile, open canva.com, or you can search on Google. After opening the website, just logging in with a free account. You can use a Gmail account to log in on Canva website. After logging in, go to this option, create design option, and now here search post, or you can select anything, Instagram post. I will show you how to remove a background. After opening this Instagram post, go to this upload option, click on upload file and select the picture you want to remove the background. So here is my image. So it's a really super cool method. I will show you, just wait for it. Adjust the file. Okay, now I have maximized the size of my image. Now go to this option, BG remover. This is background remover. Click on it and it will take hardly 3 seconds to remove the background. Now that's it. Now you can see my image background is removed. You can use any picture, any image, whatever the kind of background you want to get rid of. Just click on Canva, upload your image and click on this background remover, and your image will be saved. Now after removing the background, you want to save your picture, just go to share option, click on download, select the JPG format, maximize the size and click on download, and your removed background picture will be downloaded. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I keep bringing the best videos on Canva. So guys, thanks for watching.